Late September. For those with nothing to tie them down, it's time to move on. As winter closes in, 400 million birds take to the skies over the heartland and head south. A flock of sandhill cranes lingers. But they can't delay much longer. The first snowfall is a warning. Ahead of them is a 1,500-mile journey to Mexico. It's the final phase in the mass evacuation of the prairie. Those left behind now have no escape. The fight between the air masses battling over the continent reaches a tipping point. Icy polar air now rushes down the open prairie. Only the strong will survive.